Hello and welcome to Earn with Knowledge, Tax and Biz Insights at MLaw Tax with Wasim Hamid Memon. If you're planning to visit Pakistan, you're in the right place. In this video, I'll explain everything you need to know about the Pakistan visa process, types of visas, required documents, processing times, and even where to apply. So stay tuned till the end. Pakistan offers several types of visas depending on your purpose of travel. Tourist visa, for sightseeing and leisure. Business visa, for business meetings or investments. Work visa, for employment purposes. Student visa, for educational pursuits. Family visa, to visit family members. E-visa, a quick and easy online application option. Make sure to choose the one that fits your needs. Here's how you can apply for a Pakistan visa in just a few steps. Visit the Pakistan visa portal at visa.nadra.gov.pk. Fill out the application form with accurate personal and travel details. Upload required documents, such as a scanned copy of your passport, a recent passport-sized photo, an invitation letter or hotel booking confirmation, a return ticket if required. Pay the visa fee online. Once submitted, your application will be reviewed, and the visa will be sent to you electronically. Before you apply, make sure you have these documents ready. A valid passport with at least 6 months of validity. Recent passport-sized photographs, travel itinerary or return ticket, bank statement for proof of funds, invitation letter if applicable. Having everything prepared can save you time. The processing time for a Pakistan visa depends on the type. For a standard e-visa, it takes around 7 to 10 working days. If you're in a rush, an emergency visa can be processed within 24 to 48 hours, but this may cost extra. It's always a good idea to apply in advance to avoid any last-minute stress. Visa fees vary based on the visa type and your nationality. Tourist visa, $20 to $60. Business visa, $100 to $200. For exact details, visit the Pakistan visa portal or contact their helpline. Here are a few tips to make your trip hassle-free. Double-check all your information before submitting the application. Follow immigration laws during your stay in Pakistan. Avoid overstaying your visa to prevent fines or legal issues. Pakistan is known for its hospitality, so enjoy your trip to the fullest. If you need more assistance, here's where you can get help. Official website, visa.nadra.gov.pk. Helpline number, +92 5192 7290. Email, support@visa.nadra.gov.pk. Feel free to reach out to them for specific queries. That's all for today's video. I hope this guide helps you navigate the Pakistan visa process smoothly. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share it with your friends, and subscribe to your channel name for more travel guides.